Let's just look at one last little topic using this data. I want to go back to the percent change that we have calculated here. So if I look at the percent changes, I can see that there was a 2 and an 11 and a 96. I wonder what the average percent change was from 2011 to 2014. Let me go ahead and click into this cell right here and calculate what's the average of those four numbers. So in order to get Excel to do that for me, I'm going to type an equal sign and type the word average, open parenthesis, click and drag down those four data points, close parenthesis, and type enter. Okay, so I got the number 27.68%. And that is the average of those percent changes. Well, hang on. Why is that number not the same as the percent change for the total enrollment? Which of those is the right piece of data? Which of those is the meaningful, valid piece of data? Because Excel will let you calculate nonsense. You need to be really aware of what you're calculating and how you're calculating it, and make sure that you're not making any mistakes. So the problem here is that by calculating the average of the percents, we're ignoring the group size. So if we just take the percents and calculate the average as we did here, we aren't putting those percent changes in perspective of the base rate. So 2.73% of 28,086 means that there were actually 767 more Californians enrolled. 11.61 means that there were actually 206 more enrolled from other states. 96% of 1,871 means that there are actually 1,803 students enrolled, more international students enrolled. So the solution for this is to go back to the original data and total those up and make sure that we are dealing with the same units. So they're all dealing with units of people. Those differences are all indicating individuals. So they're all in the same unit, they're all at the same base rate, and by adding those totals and calculating the percent change of those totals, we had initially calculated the accurate overall percent change. So the moral of this bit of the story is, don't average once you've calculated a percentage. You cannot do that. That's not a valid way of managing that data. I'm going to go ahead and delete it because I don't want to confuse myself when I open this spreadsheet later. This is the end of the Try It 1 Introduction to Categorical Data. I hope you're ready for the lab quiz that you'll be taking next time we see you.